Hi, today I will show you how to make this wireframe for your renders in few clicks in Blender. Let's get started. First, go to your material, search for wireframe, search for mixed shader, connect fact to shader, shader to surface, and shader to shader. We have this kind of Superbolt wireframe. All we need to do is put one more zero. Really easy. If we want to make it glow in some different color, all we need to do is delete these all things, go to base color, add again wireframe, and add a mix RGB. Connect FAC to color, FAC to FAC, and color to emission. And let's choose some color that we want to. For example, let's make it green. And there you have it. Your wireframe for your renders is ready to go. Don't forget to like and subscribe if this video was helpful. See you in the next video. Bye.